Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a minute. It's been like a month since I last posted a video. Over the past month, I've been driving the hell out of my car. This thing is tuned, it's fast, it's responsive. I'm just enjoying the car. But we do have another car part for you guys today. As most of you know, I do have the OEM carbon pieces on my car. I have the OEM rear diffuser. It looks great, but it's just not aggressive enough for me right now, I feel like. The front of my car with the SOOQOO front lip, it just seems low, it's mean. The car looks great from the front, but as you go around the sides, it's just not matching up, right? So I went ahead and ordered the SOOQOO side skirts along with the rear diffuser. We'll do an unboxing. Let's get to the shop real quick. We'll talk about the weave on the SOOQOO pieces along with the Fitment. Let's get this thing installed and we'll see how the car looks. I'm super excited because I think this is just going to complete the car. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed. So this is what the car is looking like right now. We have the carbon fiber SOOQOO front center grille. We have the SOOQOO lip. You guys love this thing. Everywhere I drive, people are like, where'd you get this from? Looks super aggressive. I think it flows perfectly with the body lines of the car. Fitment, as usual with SOOQOO, is always on point. But the problem I'm having right now is I feel like the front of the car is so aggressive, which I love, but the side skirts in the rear don't match up to it. Like if you take a quick side view, I am lowered on Öhlins coilovers. See how it's flowing from the front? I just wish the side skirts were a little more aggressive. They're kind of just flat right now, and I don't like that gloss black look. And also on the rear, I do have the OEM BMW carbon fiber rear diffuser. So this is not aftermarket right here. I know a lot of you guys love this diffuser, but it's just too OEM right now, I feel like. I'm hoping to just get these new parts on that I have today. The carbon SOOQOO side skirts along with the rear diffuser, and I just want to bring the car down or make it look like it's lower. That way the aggressiveness in the front is going to match the rear and the car is just going to flow much better. Let me show you guys what the parts look like, because as usual, top notch from SOOQOO. So these are the side skirts right here. The quality of this is on point. Check out the weave. It looks exactly like my OEM carbon. So this right here is OEM. And then you guys see how the rear flares out right here? It's gonna make a huge difference. That's what I'm most excited for. So it's gonna stick out more versus the gloss black ones. Dude, these tabs are exactly like the OEM ones. This is a complete replacement, guys. You don't have to poke holes, drill anything. You just take the original ones off. These will slide right in. And then you're good to go. All right, guys, so this is the rear. Dude, this thing is so thick. So you guys see how this is gloss black? They combined it here, so everything is carbon fiber. Quality is on point. This is gonna look so good. It's gonna actually come out more, for sure. So this is sunken in right here. I might have to adjust the tips a little bit, but the diffuser should come out a little bit more. And the corner pieces, guys, this is massive compared to what the stock ones look like. So here's a little gloss back OEM ones. And check these out. Wow. Look at the weave. Man, I'm so excited to get this thing on. I think this is going to change the car completely, guys. It's similar. Like if you look at it, look, we got the 3 fins on the OEM ones. These are here, but it's just so much more aggressive. Like the top being carbon as well. Wow. I cannot wait. As you can see, they listen to you guys. They altered their logo a little bit. It's way more seamless now. So you see this logo. I think it looks good. I want people to know I have this brand because the carbon quality is good. The product is expensive, but that's what you're going to pay if you want quality stuff. And the logo used to look like this before. But yeah, I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and get these put on, and then we'll be right back with the finished product. All right, guys, the installation is complete. I think the smile on my face probably just says it. The fitment was phenomenal. I already knew what to expect. SOOQOO always does not disappoint. But my shop was kind of shocked with the rear diffuser. They're used to installing so many different brands, and they're always like, we always have to make adjustments. They never line up accordingly, but SOOQOO was on point. So 10 out of 10 in terms of fitment. The look wise, oh man. You guys have already seen the front before. Check out the side skirts. It extends the perfect amount right now. As you can see, my car is still the same height, but it definitely looks lower because of the side skirts. And as you go to the rear, check out the rear side pieces. These things are enormous, way bigger than the stock ones. The way my car looks, the stance it has, it definitely needed more aggression, and I mean, look at the results, guys. This thing, I couldn't believe how aggressive this was. My tips used to come out way too much before, I feel like, with the OEM ones. If you guys look at my previous videos, you will see what I mean. I actually don't adjust these whatsoever. I feel like they are now sticking out exactly how far they should. The rear is so thick. Wow, guys. This is nuts, man. I know people get Adro, people get other brands. Like, I don't think you're topping SOOQOO's design in terms of just keeping that OEM plus look, but just adding a little bit of flair to it where it's just like super aggressive. I think the kit goes perfectly with the body lines. Ten out of 10, guys, 10 out of 10. I do need a car wash. I think I'm pretty much complete with the exterior of the car now. I was gonna get an aftermarket carbon hood, but I don't wanna deal with fitment issues. If SOOQOO ever made a hood, hint, hint, or some fenders, or a trunk, you know I'd probably be on it. So, I'll give you guys some quick B-roll. Enjoy how the car looks right now. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys like it. What do you think about the kit? Too much? Perfect, OEM plus, aggressive. Keep messaging me on Instagram too. I always get back to you guys. I love your feedback. But yeah, that's it for today. The car looks great. I love it. I'm gonna go get a quick car wash, and then we'll see what we do next. Stay tuned for the next one.